it's Elmo. Elmo loves the letters of the alphabet. Ooh, from A to Z. The first thing Elmo wants you to do is touch one of the letters. Go ahead. A. Oh, boy! You can draw letters with your finger. Really? Elmo will tell you how. Just draw the letter with your finger. Go ahead. Touch the screen. Go ahead. Trace the letters. You drew a letter. Now make the lowercase letter. Hey! You did it! Oh, choose one of these things. Touch it with your finger. Go ahead. A. Accordion. A. Accordion. A. Alligator.
The seventh son of the alligator king was a thoughtful little whelp. He said,
Daddy, appears to me that you could use a little help.
said the alligator king to his seventh son, my son, you win the crown. You didn't bring me diamonds or rubies, but you helped me up when I was down.
A. Alligator. A. Apple. Elmo wonders what letter apple starts with. You see that? Oh, that apple's moving. Well, what's that? A. Apple. Color a picture. To start, touch something in the blue tray. Wow! A coloring page. Touch one of the colors with your finger. Then touch the picture to color it in. Pretty colors! Wow! Nice use of color! Play hide and seek! Well, where'd they go? Oh, they're hiding! Try A! Apple! A! Alligator! A! Accordion! Hooray! You found everything! Let's do it again! Wow! 3 things are hiding! Find them all! A! Accordion! Good job! A! Apple! A! Alligator! Elmo loves playing hide and seek with you. To play hide and seek, touch something in the blue tray.